Hi guys, I'm Varun here. I'm here to explain my fifth experiment of Case Tools Lab. And here we have this state chart diagram. Here, this is the initial state, and this is an state. And then the state and initial state is connected using an transition, and here this is an synchronization which converts a single transition into multiple transitions and then connect them to multiple objects. And here we have the final state, and here we have objects like organization, complaint handler, product unavailable, payment, complaints based on delivery, packaging, and based on manufacturing. And it also has customers object which gives the which checks whether the product has been received or not. Here the organization checks the entry, receive order, and it also checks the entry or receive complaint and feedback. It exits or delivery of the order. Delivery of the product is sent to the customer, and it also sends the customer's complaint to the complaint handler. The complaint handler takes it, categorize it differently according to their make, packaging, and delivery. If the product is unavailable, then the state is ended, and then the make payment object has been made. And if the payment was if the payment was made, then the process is complete and the transaction was done, and it also goes to final state. And it goes to whenever the delivery of the product goes to the customer, they get an entry or receive the product, they check the product or exit or provide complaint or feedback, they exit or pay for the object. And this is the second experiment of 5. Of fifth, this is the second question of fifth experiment. Here also we have an initial state, a final state, and we have different objects connecting through transitions. And here we also have a synchronization which converts the single object to multiple transition objects. And here the stage diagram is about hospital billing system. So the first object is hospital billing system, which when it's diagnosis, the interaction with the patient based on illness. Based on illness, they were sent to a ward or ICU, and if it was in a ward, then compute the ward changes. Then the charge was allocated. The charge of the allocated ward will be calculated, and the medicine bills will also be calculated in the overall bill payment. And then bill payment must be made, and then the discharge will be done. Discharge of the patient will be done. In case of ICU, they will compute the ICU charge, then the ICU room charge will be added, and then the operation cost will be added to the bill, and also the medicine bill will be added for the total calculation, and the bill will be checked, and the bill payment must be made, and the patient should be discharged. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.